Hello students, today we are going to discuss about classification of coal. First we should have to know what is meant by coal. Coal is a highly carbonaceous matter that is formed as a result of alteration of vegetable matter, that is plants, under certain favorable conditions. This coal mainly consists of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and non-combustible inorganic matter. Now, how coals are classified or what is the base for classification of coal? So, coal is commonly classified into four types on the basis of rank or degree of alternation or coalification from wood. So, here it is shown wood is transformed into peat, then lignite, bituminous and anthracite. And as we move from wood towards anthracite, there is decrease in moisture content, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur content and volatile matter. And at the same time, there is increase in carbon content, calorific value and hardness. Now, we will discuss in detail one by one these four types of coals. So the first type is peat. Peat is brown fibrous jelly-like mass. It is regarded as first stage of coalification of wood. The average composition of air-dried peat is percentage of carbon 57%, hydrogen 6%, oxygen 35%, ash content 2.5 to 6%. The calorific value of air-dried peat is about 4125 to 5400 kilocalorie per kg. This peat is used as local fuel for domestic purposes. In India, peat deposits found in Nilgiri Hills, that is in South India, and Sundarban in West Bengal. Second type of coal is lignite coal, or it is also called as brown coal. It is soft brown colored coal with lowest rank. It is compact in texture. It is regarded as intermediate stage between peat and bituminous coal. The average composition of air-dried lignite coal is carbon 67%, hydrogen 5%, oxygen 20% and ash content 8%. The calorific value of air-dried lignite coal is about 6500 to 7100 kilocalorie per kg. This lignite coal is used as household fuel and for steam raising in boiler. It is also used in the manufacture of producer gas. In India, lignite deposits occur in Assam, Kashmir, Rajasthan and Madras. Then third type of coal is bituminous coal or common coal. Now this bituminous coal are subclassified into three types on the basis of carbon content. That is, depending upon the percentage of carbon, this common bituminous coal is again divided into three types. So the first type, that is subbituminous coal. This subbituminous coal is black in color, more homogeneous and smooth in appearance. The average composition of air-dried subbituminous coal is carbon 77%, hydrogen 5%, oxygen 16% and ash content 1.8%. The calorific value of this subbituminous coal is about 7000 to 7500 kilocalorie per kg. This coal is used as fuel for steam raising in boiler. Second type of bituminous coal is, that is bituminous coal. It is having banded appearance. It is black in color, having laminated structure. The average composition of bituminous coal is carbon 83%, hydrogen 5%, oxygen 10%, ash content 2%. The calorific value of this bituminous coal is about 8000 to 8500 kilocalorie per kg. This bituminous coal is used in industries for making metallurgical coke, coal gas, and for steam raising and domestic heating. Now, third type of common bituminous coal is semi-bituminous coal. So this semi-bituminous coal, it forms a link between bituminous coal and anthracite coal. The average composition of semi-bituminous coal is carbon 90%, hydrogen 4.5%, oxygen 4%, and ash content 1.5%. The calorific value of this coal is about 8350 to 8600 kilocalorie per kg. This semi-bituminous coal is used for manufacture of coke. In India, bituminous coal deposits found in Bihar, Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, and Orissa. So common bituminous coals are of three types, that is semi-bituminous coal, bituminous coal, and sub-bituminous coal. Then fourth type of coal is anthracite coal. So this anthracite coal is highest ranking coal. This is hard, quite dense, and lustrous in appearance. They burn without any smoke and give intense local heating. The average composition of this coal is carbon 93.3%, hydrogen 3%, oxygen 3%, and ash content 0.7%. The calorific value of anthracite coal is about 8650 to 8700 kilocalorie per kg. And this anthracite coal is used for steam raising, household purposes, in metallurgical processes where no smoke and high local heat is desired. In India, anthracite coal is found in Kashmir and in eastern Himalayas. So these are the different types of coals. First we have learned peat. Here you should have to know the average composition, calorific value, uses of peat, then where it is found in India. In second type, that is lignite. Here you should have to know the average composition of lignite, the calorific value of lignite, its uses, and where it is found in India. Then third type, common bituminous coal. Again these are having three types or sub classes, that is sub-bituminous, bituminous, and semi-bituminous coal. You should have to know its average composition, calorific value, and uses. And the fourth type, that is anthracite coal. Here you should have to know its calorific value, average composition, uses of this anthracite coal, and where it is found in India. So all this about classification of coal. Thanks.